morning when we woke up, it's about negative 25 with the wind chill. So I came right out to bring fresh hay to the sheep so I can make sure that they stay warm. I'm sitting in their shelter right now that we worked on. Added some straw. And it's feeling pretty good in here. I'm not feeling so safe right now because this is our ram and he found me. So I'm gonna safely get out of here. But I'm feeling good that they have some warm shelter. Hey, sweetie. I was inside their shelter a little bit ago, trying to fluff up the straw that I just put in, and definitely got chased out by the ram, like big time. I was pretty scared. Got a little banged up, but I did have a water bucket, thankfully. Yeah, not my favorite place to be with him acting the way he's acting. But overall, I'm feeling really, really good about their shelter right now. I feel really good, even considering the temps. It seems like the snow is pretty much done. So their space is actually not very deep at all. It must have kind of blown away. The rest of the space is like up to my shins outside of their fence. So really, it's just the cold that's the problem now. It's supposed to get colder as the day goes on, so I'll keep an eye on the wind chill, although honestly there's not much. Sorry, ram's coming. I'll stay on this side of the fence. There's not much more I can do. I guess if the wind really picks up, we can always... Oh, hi. He's like apologizing, but not really, because that's not how sheep work, I don't think. But if it gets really windy, I think I'll just find a tarp or a blanket that we can hang over the entrance door over there, just to block out a little bit more wind. My phone battery died while I was out there. So what I was trying to explain is like closing off that entrance a little bit more just to make it even more protected from the wind. So if I don't use a tarp or a blanket, which I really feel like they're probably going to pull on so much, using a stack of straw bales I think would work really well just to narrow down that entryway. Yeah, so we'll pay attention to the wind chill. They were calling this storm the storm of the century, but I'm not sure. For us here in Minnesota, this feels much different than any other winter. We've definitely had these cold temps the last several years. So they are saying negative 40 wind chill at some point today, which again, I think everybody here has lived through. So we'll see. Stay safe, everyone. Sure is pretty.